Welcome to our comparison video where we dive deep into two of AMD's latest processors, the Ryzen 5 7600X and the Ryzen 9990X3D. In this video, we'll explore their specifications, performance metrics, and overall value. Whether you're a gamer or a content creator, understanding the differences between these two CPUs will help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The AMD Ryzen 5 7600X features 6 cores and 12 threads, making it a solid choice for gaming and general use. In contrast, the Ryzen 9990X3D boasts 12 cores, significantly enhancing its multi-threaded performance. This makes the 9900X3D an ideal option for content creators and those who run demanding applications. The higher core count of the 9900X3D allows for better multitasking and improved performance in multi-threaded tasks. When it comes to cache size, the Ryzen 5 7600X has a respectable 32 MB of L3 cache, which is beneficial for gaming performance. However, the Ryzen 9990X3D takes it a step further with its impressive 140 MB of L3 cache thanks to the 3D V-cache technology. This substantial cache size can significantly improve performance in data-intensive applications, making the 9900X3D a powerhouse for high-end gaming and content creation. Price is always a crucial factor when choosing a processor. The AMD Ryzen 5 7600X is priced at $299, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious gamers. On the other hand, the Ryzen 9990X3D comes with a higher price tag of $599, reflecting its advanced features and superior performance. While the 9900X3D offers exceptional capabilities, the 7600X provides great value for those who want solid performance without breaking the bank. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X and the Ryzen 9990X3D have their unique strengths. The 7600X is ideal for gamers looking for a balance of performance and price, while the 9900X3D is perfect for those who need top-tier performance for gaming and content creation. We hope this comparison helped you in making your decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.